And thank you so much for joining me once again. I am your host, Eric, and welcome to Eric's weather forecast. We were having technical difficulties. I'm going to try this again. If not, I will still tell you how everything's going to work out. So we are dealing with a lot of cold weather, especially the weather and the temperatures. I'm telling you, we've had frigid temperatures, very, very dangerously cold temperatures. We're going to talk about that right now. So I'm going to make this really quick because there's a lot that we got to talk about. And also, we will be talking about the potential for snowstorms as well. And we'll be talking about accumulating snow for the weekend as well. We've got snow in the forecast. So that we have been talking about, heads up about all of the snow and stuff. So be prepared for that. For today and tonight, wind chills 0 to 15 degrees tonight. And then we'll have a chance of light snow. And that we had a chance of light snow this morning, which did happen. We did have snow that was falling in Memphis, Michigan. So that was this morning, and that snow was actually mainly north of I-69. Minor accumulations possible, but I also wanted to let you know, please be careful. The temperatures are cold. Bundle up and wear extra layers of clothing, especially if you're going to be out, okay? All right, for the weekend outlook, light snow on Saturday and Saturday night, so that is coming to town. The potential for 1 to 2 inches of snow as well, and then we'll have daytime wind chills of single digits, and we'll have a wind chill below 0 at night. So unfortunately, we have a lot going on, a lot to prepare for. I will be back right after this with the rest of our forecast, and that will be the second half of our forecast. So a lot to cover today, and then we'll talk about more potentials for some more active weather. We'll let you know how many days it's going to come to town, and there is also the possibility as well for more snowstorms to develop, and that is another problem that we're dealing with. Stay tuned, and we're going to show you what is going on with the current conditions. We'll look at the radar and show you where all the storms are at, and we're going to tell you how active things are really going to get when I look at the GFS models. Stay tuned for the rest of the forecast. We'll be right back. If you have not prescribed to Eric's weather forecast, please do so. If you have not prescribed, please prescribe to my channel for the latest up-to-date forecast and alerts and breaking news, and also school closings as well. So if there's any school closings, I will also provide updates for that. We'll be right back with the rest of the updates on our active weather. Stay tuned. We'll be right back right after this. And thank you so much for joining me once again. I am Eric, and you're watching Eric's weather forecast. And right after this, there is going to be a live stream coming up in just a little bit. So we will have a live stream coming up, and then I will be talking more about our potentials for snow and everything and what to prepare for, and then we'll talk about snow accumulations and the upcoming snowstorms that we may be in store for, and I'm going to let you know how many days that's going to last. This is what we've got going on across the Midwest. We've got winter. We've got a lot of issues that we want to talk about, but I want to show you bigger potential. We have winter storm warnings in the Midwest, down in the South, down in Oklahoma there, all the way northward. There is a big expansion of winter storm warnings that have been posted as well, and there are winter weather advisories. So as you can see, the storm is coming together. So kind of stay tuned throughout the day today, and I will have the very latest on all of the winter severe weather. So there's going to be a lot of interesting things going on. So you can see there are winter weather advisories that are in place as well. Winter storm warnings are in place, but that the winter storm warnings are actually way down to the south. I will keep an eye on that because there is an expansion of winter storm warnings that are in place that start down in the south over in Oklahoma. Winter weather advisory to the west of that. So we're gonna keep a very close eye on this. So stay tuned. I'll have live stream update coming up. So I'll have a couple of live updates on all of this active winter severe weather. So hang on to those shovels and everything. Make sure that you get to the grocery stores, especially make sure that you get the needed supplies that you're going to need. And I would also recommend that you stock up on extra stuff just in case there are okay, I'm sorry. Just make sure that you go to the grocery store and get all of the needed supplies that you need and all the food that you need, just in case there are repeatedly more snowstorms. As a matter of fact, there is the possibility of a major snowstorm across the Midwest. I'll have more details on that. Then we'll look at GFS models as well, and we're going to find out more potentials on the snowstorms and how packed that's going to get. But unfortunately, once that the storms start again, we start seeing more of these winter snowstorms again. Unfortunately, it's going to be a roller coaster ride. So I'm going to tell you how active it's going to get, and are we going to get a break from these winter storms? I'll talk about it, tell you how active it's going to get and when we're going to get a break. Stay tuned. I'm going to have the rest of that part of the forecast coming up. So stay tuned. I will be back within a half an hour. I'm going to see what time I can do this because I'm really on a very tight schedule. Come back and join me again. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought my time was up. Okay, come back and join me in just a little bit. I will have live updates when necessary. And as far as the watches and the warnings, advisories, I will be watching that, especially with the concern with all of these winter storm warnings that are being posted across the Midwest. That will be watched very closely. We're going to see how impact that's going to be, and then I'll give you a heads up on all of the severe weather warnings and watches and what you need to know, and then we'll talk about how impacted things are going to get. So very, very active setup here with the warnings, watches, and advisories. So you can tell that storm is coming together and everything, and then we'll talk about when we're going to see that part of it. But we'll kind of keep you posted. Stay tuned for the very latest, and I will keep you posted. I'm your host, Eric. Please remember, please prescribe. If you have not prescribed to my channel, please prescribe. Please like if you like my content. Please let me know as well. I will have the comment section up, so please leave me some comments as well. And then also, I would like to hear from some of the viewers as well. So I'll also have a live stream going on, and then you'll have a chance to ask your questions and all of that prior to the winter storms that we've been having and other severe weather concerns. So come and join me on my live streams as well, and I will see you guys at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. I'll have a live stream as well, and more updates on all of the winter severe weather. Stay tuned for the very latest, and remember, I will be doing my very best to also announce school closings. That was another request So I'm doing everything that I can to make sure that you guys have the very latest breaking news, alerts, and school closings, and possibly traffic alerts. I'm going to see if I can put all of that together. But please give me time. I will get that up there. Stay tuned for the very latest, and I'll see you guys for a live stream between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. I decided to switch that just in case I get a little bit busy. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in just a little while. Thank you for joining me on Eric's weather forecast. And like always, have a good day. Stay tuned. And please remember to subscribe to Eric's weather forecast and like, and also leave me comments as well. Leave me comments. I'll have the comments section open. Leave me comments. And please join me on my live streams. And you'll also have the chance to chat with me through the live stream. So I'll see you for a live report later on this evening. Thank you for watching Eric's weather forecast, and we'll see you later.